Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Lunch with Us. I'm Vanessa, Head of Branding Content at Just Eat for Business, and I'm joined today by someone I work very closely with. Hi Shane.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here.
No worries.
So Shane, why don't you tell everyone who you are and what you do at Just Eat for Business?
Hi everyone, I'm Shane. I'm the Marketing Director here at Just Eat for Business, and I look after the teams that effectively create a lot of our content, a lot of our branding, as well as do our performance marketing. So as Vanessa said, we work very closely together on projects just like this. I'm very pleased to have people like Vanessa in the team that enables this great content to actually come alive.
Oh, thanks. You're just saying that because we ordered lunch for you today.
I mean, that always helps.
Yeah. Shane, you know the drill. So every week we're trying different restaurant partners that are really well loved by the team here. So today we've got two really great restaurant partners in, bringing some food into the office. So we've got LEON and we've also got Bagel Factory. So two really well loved high street brands, very popular with Just Eat for Business teams as well as our clients as well. So should we get started?
Absolutely, and doesn't it look great? Just to
amazing, the colours.
LEON, well known for what they deliver, really varied, and as you said, the colours are really exceptional. And Bagel Factory, love that cross section. Looks lovely, gives you a full view of what you can get if you went for either of these two restaurants for an office delivery. Team favourites because they're consistent and they deliver great food that travels really well.
So first up, we're going to try out some of LEON's popular dishes. So today we've ordered their sunshine squash salad. So not vegan, but a veggie option. Definitely one that everyone finds delicious and filling. Then we've got probably one of their most popular rice boxes. We've got the aioli chicken, one that I think I probably would have for lunch at least twice a month, if that.
I've definitely ordered.
Yeah.
I've had this more than once.
Yes. And then finally, because everyone loves a small bite, we've got some truffle and mushroom arancini balls.
Yep.
So I think something that always comes up when we are having LEON for lunch or when our customers order from LEON is, like you said earlier, the consistency of the product. Their food is always freshly made, it's delicious, and it's you always know what you're going to get, no matter what you order. It's
presented really well as well, right?
It's presented beautifully.
Despite the fact that it's got to travel in, it always looks fresh and like it is on the menu. It looks exactly, you know exactly what you're getting. The presentation is always really nice. And those additional, I think, flourishes of colour really help make it. Like the summer squash, you've got that little bit of lemon as well as the cabbage in there, and then obviously the pomegranates and the chicken. Really add those elements that you kind of miss sometimes when you're bringing in lunch yourself. You get that sad packed lunch, whereas this you get something that really inspires.
It's a bit elevated.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. The other restaurant partner we've got in today is the Bagel Factory, and we've got two great options that they've brought in for us. The first one is the vegan-friendly option, which is the VLT. Love that, love the name, very nice. Everything in it is vegan, so it's definitely one of those choices for everyone in the office, with vegan bacon as well as vegan mayo. And again, you can see from the cross-section, looks incredible. And then for the maybe more dedicated carnivore on this side, we've got the Reuben, obviously it's pastrami. Again, the mustard, it's got that high color, looks good, cheese, melted, great cross section. Both of these look incredible and very appetizing. You can tell I'm a bagel fan. Again, one of my favorites, always travels well, always turns up warm and early, which is always really good when you're looking for a bagel. Super fresh, so I'm really looking forward to these ones.
So Shane, you have been in the business for a while and you're very familiar with ordering food into the office using our platform. So what is it that you look for when you're ordering lunch?
I mean, a great question. I think there's so many great options that the key thing is definitely looking at what is available first of all. So I'll take a look, I'll see actually what I'm in the mood for. The good thing is you can almost plan forward, so you can decide, okay, I'm going to order a couple of weeks in advance, and it's flexible enough that you can actually make changes to your order as the month develops. So that's always a great thing. What I do tend to look for is variety. Restaurant partners I haven't tried before. I'll also look at trying maybe to experiment a little bit, have something I wouldn't normally have. I'm well known for my sandwich and maybe a bit too much meat consumption, so I'll look at things like salads, and I'll look at fish options, and I'll look at things that maybe I wouldn't normally try, and normally from restaurant partners that I wouldn't normally have access to. And I think Just Eat for Business is really good at showcasing those local heroes as well as the high street brands that we know and love. Really, it's that variety, and whether it's something I've tried before. If it's brand new to me, then that's something I'll definitely give a go. And it's how I've discovered some of the firm favourites we now have on the platform.
And speaking of fan favourites, I guess it's time for us to tuck in.
Absolutely, I've been looking forward to this for the entire time.
Well, before you take your first bite, thank you everyone for joining us today. If you would like to order any of these dishes or check out any other restaurant partners that might be near your office, you can go to our website. And thanks, Shane, for joining me today.
No worries, thank you for having me.
And we're Just Eat for Business. We make it easy for you to order great food into the office for your teams.